Everyone, it's Jason here, and in today's video we're going to talk about the new Sonos Roam, the all-in-one portable speaker. So we're going to unbox it. Like all Sonos' device, they actually do a really nice packaging job on here. So there's the speaker, manual, and charging cable. Looks like they used C. It's nice, not that heavy. It's pretty light. It's got some rubber, I guess, to unslip. Charging port. It also does have, if you have a charging pad, you can actually charge it on the pad as well. Microphone, volume, play and pause. Pretty much the same with all their other Sonos devices. It's like 2.5 by 6 3/4. Small, portable, you can take it anywhere you like. See what this thing sounds like. Little light right down there. Searching for device. Grab my phone. It's getting ready. Back. Continue. Now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. Do an update on it. Update takes up to 2-3 minutes. True play, alarm. It's got everything that other Sonos devices have. Just fast forward this part. It's finishing up the update. All done. Not now. I don't really want to hook up the microphone just yet. So the good thing about it, it tells you the percentage at the bottom here. So this one right here, I have the box. It's telling me there's 46% of battery on this thing. So it sounds great. Small, compact. You can literally stick it in your pocket. So if you guys are looking for a portable all-in-one speaker, I do highly recommend trying out or getting the Sonos, especially if you already have Sonos parts within your house. Okay, so to connect it to Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth on your device, on your phone, tablet, press the button in the back, hold it for a few seconds, the light will turn blue, and then it should display right there. Click on it to connect. You hear that little confirmation. Like when the light's blue, that means it's on Bluetooth mode. So guys, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, and once again, thanks for watching.